I'm Andrew LeBaron of Motel to Apartment Conversions, and we are here in beautiful McAllen, Texas, wrapping up 29 motel to apartment conversions. This place used to be totally different. We took 29 motel rooms that were dated. Remember, these were built in the 50s, and we turned them around. We gutted these down to the studs. We replaced the electrical. We replaced the plumbing. We even added gas lines. And now we have a beautiful 29-unit multifamily asset. We were able to buy this property with very little down. We paid $0 monthly, 0% interest, and we took all that cash that we saved and we were able to put it right back into the property, and we called it Studios on 4th. So bear with me, there's a lot that we're packaging into this one offer for the resident. In this motel to apartment conversion, we have sewer, water, trash, electric, internet, washer, dryer, dishwasher, microwave, oven, stove, all included for just one monthly fee. And if you missed out on this opportunity, that's okay. We have plenty more in the pipeline. So just make sure to follow us at motelstoapartments.com.